my dear students. This is plus 1 accounts class and we were doing chapter journal. This is part 6 video of journal chapter. In this video we will complete all the journal entries in this chapter, but we will take 2-3 lecture more to revise this chapter. Okay, now let's start that the remaining journal entries today I will tell you. Okay, fine. Yes students, first of all we will do about the expenditure on installation of any machinery. What is this? When we purchase any machinery, for example, if you are buying AC at your home, then installation of AC, sometimes it's free and sometimes that they will extra charges for the installation. Same like in machinery, from whom we have purchased the machinery, they will take the installation charges. For example, we have purchased one machinery of rupees 1 lakh and installation charges 5,000, and we have purchased machinery from Delhi. Then transportation charges 10,000. Then total expenditure that will incurred at the time of purchase, whether it's a cost price of machinery, installation charges, transport charges, everything that will be added, how much it will come? 1,15,000. It will be charged to the machinery account. Then what entry will be passed for this? Machinery account debit to cash account. If we are paying by check, then we can write to bank account. Total amount we will write 1,15,000. For example, if we are paying 10,000 in cash, then in front of cash we will write 10,000 and remaining 1,05,000 we will write in front of bank account. But see, at the time of purchase of goods, when we purchase the goods, for example, we have purchased goods of rupees 50,000 and carries expense on goods. Goods को हम carry लेके आए अपने business में, then that expense are known as carries expense. It will rupees 5,000. Then we will not add these carries expense in purchases account. So keep in mind, when we purchase any assets, then carries expense, installation expense, all the expense will be added in the machinery account. But when we purchase the goods, at the time of purchase goods, that all the carries expense will be debited as a carries inward account. Okay, these are the expense, so it will be debit. Then in which account it will be debit? That carries inward. Inward, it means हम goods को लेके आ रहे हैं अपने business में, then carries inward account debit for the expense that incurred on the purchases of goods. Then which entry will be passed for this? Purchases account debit carries inward account debit to cash account. For purchases we will write 50,000, carries inward 5,000 and total amount 55,000 to cash account. Okay. One thing more, repair expense. When we use the machinery, sometimes it won't repair. हमें मशीनरी को रिपेयर करवाना पड़ता है अगर वो खराब हो जाती है. जाती है. Then that expense we will put in the repair account. Then which entry will be passed? Repair account debit to cash account. How much expense are there? We will write in the amount column. But if we purchase any second hand machinery and on that time, at the time of purchase, we repair the machinery. Second hand machinery है, हो सकता है थोड़ी बहुत खराब हो. Then we repair the machinery at the time of purchase only. Then that expense on repair we will add in the machinery account. Example, if we purchase any second hand machinery of rupees 50,000 and repair expense on that second hand machinery at the time of purchase is 10,000, then total cost of the machinery is 60,000. Then that repair expense we will not put in repair account, we will add that repair in the total cost of machinery. Then we will pass the entry machinery account debit to cash account by 60,000. At the time of purchase, repair will be added in the machinery account, but when we use the machinery, in that period machinery get damaged and we have to repair the machinery, then that repair expense will be charged to the repair account. Okay? Yes students, next journal entries that are related to special transaction related to the goods. Now what is the goods? You know this thing in which any business deal. Firstly, purchase that things, then sell that things to the customer at profit. These things are known as goods. But sometime any businessman that purchase the goods, not sold the goods, उसको बेचता नहीं है. The businessman use that goods in any another purpose. उसको कहीं और use कर लेता है उस goods को. For example, drawing in the goods. That businessman use that goods for his personal use. Firstly, business purchase the goods for sale. For example, आप कोई भी example ले लो. If any cloth emporium is there, so all the clothes are clothes that business has purchased that are known as goods. But if owner, that proprietor need any cloth at his home, then he can withdraw that cloth from his business. So that is known as drawing in goods. Then which entry will be passed? It's drawing. Then businessman will not pay cash to the business for that goods. Pay तो नहीं करेगा ना? तो it's known as drawing. When any businessman withdraw cash or goods from the business for his personal use is known as drawing. And drawing account always debit. Drawing account debit to which account will be credit? Cash is not going from the business. What is going from the business? Goods are going from the business that we have put in purchases account earlier. Now we will decrease the purchases by credit the purchase account. Okay? When any businessman use the goods in business in any another purpose instead of sale, then purchases account will be credit. Same like this, goods given away as charity. Sometimes कोई भी clothes है, businessman give to the any needy person as a charity, or any orphans as a charity. Then this is expense of business. Then we will put in all the expense will be debit, charity account debit to purchases account. If businessman pay cash from the business for charity, then to cash account we will write. But if businessman use goods as a charity, then purchases account will be credit. Fine. Now next is goods distribution as a free sample. उसने किसी भी अपने वहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा ऑर्डर मिला है एनी बिजनेस that's a very big order, then sometimes businessmen give some goods as a sample without taking any money. So this is an expense. You can put that expense into the free sample account, or you can into the advertisement account. Okay, you can write anything, that free sample or advertisement expense account. Advertisement account debit to businessman is giving goods as a free sample, then we will write to purchases account. And next is goods, loss of goods by theft or fire. Sometimes businessman lost his goods because of theft in the building of business. Sometimes fire is there in godown, then all the goods get fire and loss is there. So this is a loss of goods by theft or fire, then it will be debit. Which entry will be passed? If loss by theft, then we will debit the loss by theft account debit. If it fire, then loss by fire account debit. To purchases account. How much amount of goods businessman purchase? Purchase value will be debit. If that purchase value of goods is 60,000 and selling value is 70,000, then loss of the business is of 60,000. Then we will write here cost price of the goods 60,000. Sometimes the businessman has taken insurance of fire or theft, then loss will be deducted. Insurance company pay to the businessman. Then which entry will be passed for this? If businessman get insured of these goods and get money of insurance from insurance company, then loss will be deducted. Then which entry will be passed? If insurance company paid them, then insurance company से money लेनी है, then insurance company account debit to loss by fire or theft. When loss will be there, we have debited the loss account. Now loss will be decreased, then we credit the loss account. Why loss is credited? Because of insurance company. Okay, when insurance company pay money, then which entry will be passed? Bank account debit to insurance company account. Okay, when this entry will be passed? When insurance company make payment to the businessman, and when insurance company admitted the claim admit कर लिया, but payment has not received from the insurance company, then this entry will be passed insurance company account debit to loss by fire. And when company pay, then bank account debit to insurance company, and loss we will transfer to the profit and loss account, for which entry will be passed? For that, profit and loss account debit to loss by fire or theft. Okay, then for I will take one example. For example, there will be loss of goods of 60,000, then here amount will come of 60,000, and insurance company claim only 30,000, then we will write here insurance company account debit or loss will be deducted by 30,000. Insurance company pay to us 30,000, then bank account debit to insurance company 30,000, and our loss we will transfer to profit and loss account. While calculate at the end of year, we will make the profit and loss account. Okay, then that loss we will transfer to the profit and loss account. How much loss we have to suffer? Out of 30,000 insurance company has paid, and we have to suffer the loss of rupees 30,000. Then that amount we will transfer to the profit and loss account. Okay. So students, now that all the journal entries we have discussed in these 6 lectures, now we will revise the questions of this chapter. So your homework is that you have to do 16 and 17 illustration and practical question, both in your fair notebook. Okay, in next lecture we will do more illustration and practical question. We will discuss in next video lecture. Thank you. Have a nice